Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you to see the Gaur, a wild cow that lives in the Phnom Tamao Zoo in Cambodia.
The Gaur, wild cow, also known as the Indian bison, is the largest species of wild cattle in the world. It has a strong and muscular body, and it looks very powerful and majestic. Male Gaurs are usually larger and darker than females. Physical appearance. The Gaur has a large, heavy, and strong body. Its coat is dark brown or blackish, with lighter areas on the legs. The lower parts of its legs are white, like it's wearing socks. It has curved, yellowish horns that point upward. Males have a prominent muscular ridge on the shoulders, showing their great strength. Habitat and lifestyle. Gaurs live in forests and hilly areas with plenty of trees and water. They are found in India, Thailand, Cambodia, and Laos. They usually live in small herds of 5 to 20 individuals led by an older female. They are most active in the early morning and late afternoon. Diet. Gaurs are herbivores. They feed mainly on grasses, leaves, shoots, and small plants. They spend many hours each day grazing and searching for food. Conservation status. The Gaur is listed as a vulnerable species because of habitat loss and illegal hunting. In Cambodia, it can still be found in protected areas like Mundal Kiri and the Cardamom Mountains, but their numbers are decreasing.
Beauty the